Well, I'm up bright and early today. Good morning, everyone. I'm in the Blue Mountains National Park. I'm in an area that I'm quite familiar with. I've been here in this area quite a few times, done a fair few walks around here. The plan today is to do an overnighter. I'm starting on one of the more established tracks, and then I'm going to follow that for about 3 k's and then veer off. Head up towards a mountain, up and over, and then follow the spur all the way down to one of the main rivers. So it's going to be about 4 kilometers all off track. We've had quite a bit of rainfall recently, about 2 to 3 weeks worth of rain. So I'm thinking the river's going to be quite high and fast flowing. That might cause a problem for me because the plan that I've routed involves a couple of river crossings, so I'm not sure whether that's going to be a problem or not, but I'll worry about that when I come to it. Worst case scenario, I can just backtrack, come back the way I came in. I've also packed the rod, but I'm not holding my breath. Usually when it's fast flowing after a bit of rainfall, it's quite murky as well, and I don't think there'll be much fish activity in murky water, but I've packed it anyway. We'll see how we go. Anyway, I'm going to start putting the kilometers behind me, start walking. Thanks for joining in and tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch you soon. Let's start making the tracks. That's a lyrebird imitating all these other birds. Wow. I could listen to that all day. Alright, so this is where I veer off. That's the track, and that's where I'm headed. Looks a bit overgrown. Look what I found. It's a sharpening groove. See that there? That's what the Aborigines used to use to sharpen their spears. Interesting find. Look, there's more. Can you see them? This isn't too bad actually. Patches of overgrowth, but mainly clear. I better not jinx myself too soon. Oh, Almost twisted my ankle. Yep, sure enough, I jinxed myself. Oh. Well, I made it to the top of the mountain. Now I've just got to veer off to my right and down the spur all the way down to the river. But what I wanted to say was I'm right on the border of the national park border and Crown land. When I get a better view, I'll show you some footage of the Crown land. But man, imagine owning a piece of that. Thought I'd take a shortcut, but excuse my French, I'm in the thick of it now. I don't know whether I should keep bashing through the bush or whether I should get on the high ground. I need to come down, but I thought I'd come around the side, but man, it's just too overgrown and slippery. I don't know, I might try the high ground. Have a look, this is what I'm talking about. In the thick of it. Made it out of that bush bash. My God, that was a punish. Whew. Anyway, it's all downhill from here on in. Hopefully that's the last bit of bush bashing. I know I said that earlier and jinxed myself, so I better not jinx myself again. I can actually hear the river and it sounds vicious, man. I just hope I can cross the river. I really don't want to come back the way I came down. But if I do go back up this way, I'll probably go back another way. I won't go through the side, try and take that shortcut. What a mistake that was. Anyway, all that piece of land in front of me, that's all Crown land. I'll show you in a sec, but man, the views are amazing. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? I just stacked it. Trying to turn the camera on. Hell. More bush bashing. Oh. Ah, finally, bit of a clearing. Oh man, check out the views there. Alright, so that there is Carlin's Head, and all that there, that's Narrow Neck. Nice view. Made it, guys, made it. Oh, the river looks pretty full. There's a lot of nice campsites around here. Anyway, let's head down. There's some nice areas to camp around here, but I want to go a little bit further downstream, see if I can cross this damn river. Otherwise I'll come back and camp here, maybe around there somewhere. Should have brought the pack craft, eh? Turkey, roast beef, hummus, mustard, pickles and Swiss cheese. In Turkish pickles. Hydrolyte. I can feel a bit of a headache coming on. I think I need to top up on some electrolytes. Yep, that's better. Is that a cat print? Dog print? Looks too big to be a fox. Could be one of those infamous Blue Mountains big cats. Have another look. Alright, so this is going to be camp, guys. I'm going to set up my tarp and hammock somewhere here. I'll work it out in a minute, but the main thing is I've got this trunk there where I can sit on and start a fire. I really don't want to sit on the ground. It's quite wet and moist. I was thinking about setting it up here, but those trees are in the way. There's no dead branches, although I did check that tree, but it should be all right. I'm not going to set up underneath that. I'm just going to be over here somewhere. Anyway, without further ado, I got distracted there. I'm going to set up the tarp and then have a bit of a fish, eh? Look how murky the water is. I don't know, but we'll still have a crack. bit. Oh, miscalculated. Alright, shelter all set up. Tarp by Alton Goods. Hammock by Alton Goods. There's no bug net. The reason being is because I forgot it at home. But it should be alright. I mean, there's not going to be any mozzies or flies around, so I'll be alright. Only thing I've got to worry about is spiders. You know what I also forgot? I forgot my damn pillow. I don't know why, but every time I pack my hammock and tarp, I always seem to forget the pillow. I'm like jinxed like that. Go figure. Hard work. Yeah, I think we got it. Oh. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I reckon it's time for a beer. Wouldn't you know it? Look at that. There we go. There's always a solution. Cheers. Oh, I earned that today. Capital Brewing. It's a hang loose juice hazy IPA. It's all right. And for dinner, I've got some lamb backstrap. So I've got myself a skewer. I'm just going to skewer it, and that's my dinner for tonight. Cheers. Oh no, you're kidding me. Alright, got another one. Okay. There we go. And Bob's your uncle. Okay, time for the shishliks, lamb backstrap. Fire is perfect now. So I've already seasoned this at home, guys. Salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, a little bit of chili flakes, and the secret ingredient, Turkish oregano. You can't find them in supermarkets. One of your relatives need to smuggle it from the mother country. Can't buy them anywhere. Oh, there's one more piece. There's a lot of meat there, 400 grams. Oh, 3 bites in and I couldn't say a word. Anyway, I'm going to polish this off and I'll switch the camera off. I'm going to enjoy this last bit of shish stick, get warm by the fire. It's actually not that cold tonight. I haven't even got the puffer jacket on. It's not that bad, but we'll see how we go when we sleep. I'm actually quite buggered today. That hike down here took a lot out of me. Anyway, I'm looking forward to turning in and getting a bit of shut eye. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the morning. Time for breakfast. Oh. Eggs ready. killed my feet. Okay, so I'm at my last river crossing, and actually I'm not that far off at my exit point. I think I'm going to take the high ground back out rather than going up the creek. I've had enough of creek and river crossings for this weekend. So I'm not going to record the river crossing. I'm going to pack up the camera, and what I'm going to actually do is just float down the river as close as possible to the exit point, and then pack up, dry up, and make my way back to the car. Thanks a lot. This has been quite an epic journey. Really enjoyed this one. Thanks a lot for joining in and coming along on this adventure, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and comments as well. Thank you.